it's my dream project. It's a property that is very close to my heart, to my home community of Stewart, BC.
Population?
500 right now, plus or minus, depending who's in town. Swells a little bit during the season when there's some mineral exploration going on. It's the Red Mountain project, and we believe it'll be the next gold mine in British Columbia.
Okay, so tell me some of the details about Red Mountain.
We recently acquired a 100% interest in the project. It is a high-grade, underground, thick gold deposit, over 450,000 ounces of measured and indicated, plus some additional inferred. There's been over $40 million spent on the property, mostly in the late 1990s. So there's a high-grade resource that we believe has excellent potential for being a near-term producer. But even more importantly, there is significant exploration upside on one of the largest hydrothermal and alteration systems in northwestern British Columbia, which is by far the richest area in the province for gold.
Okay, wait, is it an exploration story or a mining story?
Well, you know, Tommy, that's a big part of what this is. It actually appeals to, I think, all investors that are interested in the mining space. You have a very, very high grade, low cost of production. We're based on previous economic studies and confirmed by our own internal work, we're looking at less than $500 an ounce cost of production, 80,000 ounces approximately of production a year.
So current gold prices, that's like $64 million profit potential per year.
Yeah, and I think conservatively, that's what we're looking at. But what I was saying is you have, and what Rob was talking about is that there's a mine here. There's a project that could be BC's next high-grade underground gold mine. It's simple. It's a simple mining technique that's used extensively all over the world, and particularly up in northern British Columbia. And then you've got that paired up with huge blue sky potential that I know Rob will talk about, so you have this duality of opportunity here where you've got an economic mine. We're intending to publish a revised economic assessment report in the coming weeks, and it'll demonstrate that conclusively in a very, very definitive manner. And then around that, which appeals to the upside. I mean, we're in a business where people buy into the idea of a dream. And what this is a dream underpinned by hard reality of an economic mine. And then around that, you have this upside that is extraordinary. And that's where things get really, really exciting. And we think in our business, there's been far too many stories that are being pushed out there that are just dreams. And you know, you have to have dreams because that's part of what we do in our business. But what's missing sometimes, and it was a quote actually that came from Rob, is our business has been too much about, you know, making metal or chasing metals or whatever, and they're starting to forget about the fact we actually have to make money. We want to see money returning back to our investors. We want to see companies that are making a profit. And so what we have here is this combination of an economic mine with significant economic and exploration upside around it. And that creates I think, an incredibly exciting story.